I'm Tammy. So today we're going to make an Elvis drink. I'm not really sure how some of these ingredients were around when Elvis was around, but maybe they were, I don't know. But this is an Elvis drink, so we're going to get right to it. We're going to use grapefruit juice, and definitely fresh squeeze your grapefruit if you can. I'm just out of that, so I'm using the Simply grapefruit, and we're going to use 2 ounces of this, so just 2 ounces of grapefruit juice. Then for the better stuff, we're going to use gin. I like gin a lot, I mean a whole lot. So, oh, I shouldn't say that. Kind of made me sound like an alcoholic, didn't it? All right, 2 ounces of gin. Beautiful. I'm starting to wonder if this glass is going to hold my stuff. All right. My favorite ever Saint Germain. This stuff is delicious. It's an elderflower liqueur. If you have not tried this, you are missing out. This stuff, man, smells so good. It tastes so good. It's just deliciousness. Half an ounce. All right. Then, this is why I'm kind of wondering if they had this. So, it calls for an IPA or a fruit-flavored beer. I'm going to use this grapefruit beer because I find it to be delicious. And we are going to just fill this glass up. Yum. And take a swig because it's hot. Or a couple. It's hot, Florida. All right. Then mix that together and garnish it with some mint sprigs. Mine are looking a little pitiful from my garden, but here we go. Gonna put that on there. Now it's time for the taste. This is the best part. Well, other than the beer I already drank. This is the best part. You can see this looks really pretty with the mint and the nice peach color from the grapefruit juice and the grapefruit beer, which is delicious. All right, enough of that. I'm just going to drink it now. It's great. It's really good. This gin has like a peppery taste to it, so you can taste that, a little bit of that peppery taste coming through, which is really nice. It kind of sets off the sweetness of, you know, all the grapefruit. It's really a good combination. Yeah, it's really good. It's refreshing. I like these type of drinks during the summer, things that are refreshing. You don't really want anything sweet this time of year. It just makes you more thirsty. This is a good one to try. I hope you try it out. If you like what you see, I hope you subscribe. Cheers!